In this video, we are going to talk about the top 7 most commonly asked questions by corrections professionals when considering Guardian RFID. You're starting to look into Guardian RFID, and you may have a few of these questions. Yes, Guardian RFID does interface with your jail, offender, or case management system. Our command and control platform is able to obtain key information from your OMS that will help your staff better manage your inmate population. Oftentimes, the data points that are sent over from your OMS to Guardian RFID include things such as inmate mugshots, their demographics, housing information, and any other key data points that your facility feels is necessary. The process is fully automated. This helps to decrease any human input error, while also making sure that your staff are actually able to focus on more critical activities throughout the facility. We at Guardian RFID believe in innovation through integration. We frequently build interfaces with many of our users. We have actually partnered with over 100 jail, offender, and case management systems. We highly recommend that your facility has Wi-Fi coverage when deploying Guardian RFID. However, it's not required. There are smart ways of deploying Wi-Fi if not already in your facility. There's no need for wall-to-wall coverage. At the very least, we suggest having pockets of coverage in the areas where your officers and staff most frequently walk and work. If you have a direct supervision housing unit, we suggest that you have a Wi-Fi access point in that area. Whereas if you have a modular indirect housing unit, it might be best to just have access points in the main corridors or hallways most frequented by your officers. Setting up your Wi-Fi access points in smart ways will help to maximize the effectiveness of the command and control platform, without having to spend extra time and money having wall-to-wall Wi-Fi coverage throughout the entire facility. Getting a mid-level or enterprise-grade access point will help to minimize any maintenance and headaches for you and your staff. Although Guardian RFID does not sell or install wireless networks, our team is more than happy to help you determine the best locations for these access points within your facility prior to deploying Guardian RFID. Guardian RFID supports both RFID wristbands and ID cards. Some facilities have a strong preference for one or the other, but it's entirely up to you. You can also choose to not go with either option, or you can even phase in using some type of identification, wristband, or ID card once you've deployed Guardian RFID. By utilizing RFID wristbands and ID cards, your staff will be able to automate their formal IDs or positive head counts. This means that each individual inmate will be scanned electronically, and you can verify both their identity and their presence. However, if this isn't necessarily important to you, or you're not quite sure if you want to deploy RFID credentials throughout your entire facility, you can still get the same level of data collection and functionality of the Guardian RFID platform by simply using your hard tags and your mobile command through Spartan. If you want to know more about the pros and cons of using inmate wristbands or ID cards, check out this blog. It gives you a detailed look into the benefits and trade-offs of either option, and gives you a little bit of insight into the costs and some best practices. The cost of Guardian RFID depends on the average daily population of the deployment. For example, if you are going to deploy Guardian RFID throughout your entire facility and have an ADP of 100 inmates, your cost might be somewhere around $15,000. If you have a facility with an ADP of 250 inmates, the cost of the platform is going to run somewhere between $30,000 and $50,000. These are approximations, and they're going to depend based on the size of the facility and the layout, and also the specific needs of your facility. The cost of the platform includes the price of the hardware, software, training, consumables, and the interface with your JMS or OMS. Yes, there is an annual maintenance fee when purchasing the command and control platform. The annual maintenance fee for Guardian RFID is known as the system renewal fee. The system renewal fee will cover everything from software updates, tech support, the lifetime warranty of your hard tags, and other important benefits to your facility. The price of the SRF will depend based on the size of your facility and the scope of the deployment. For example, if you have a facility with around 100 inmates, the system renewal fee will cost somewhere around $3,200. But if you have a facility with around 250 inmates, your system renewal fee will run somewhere around $5,000. I'll also mention that the entire software platform is under warranty for the first year of use. On the 1-year anniversary of your go-live date, Guardian RFID will invoice your facility for the system renewal fee, which provides ongoing support for the next 12 months. Training usually lasts 2 or 3 days. We prefer to train your staff directly rather than doing a train-the-trainer type method. During these days, there will be 2 4-hour class sessions held, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Class sizes can range anywhere from 5 to 50, and can even get higher if your facility needs to. After the in-class training is complete, your facility will go live with the platform. After that go live, our training team will shadow your staff during every shift, helping to make sure that they understand the platform and how to use it effectively. This also gives us the opportunity to field any questions about the system while on site. And we can even give recommendations for procedure or policy changes that we think will help your staff and facility as a whole use the platform to its full effectiveness. Our training staff has a combined 30 years of correctional experience. They are here to help make sure that your staff fully understand the platform and what it can do to help them. Unfortunately, we do not offer free or paid pilots of the command and control platform. However, we would be happy to set up a time for you to go visit one of our current users. We have warriors across the entire country that would welcome you into their facility, showing you the platform in action. Our staff can also give you an online demo, or even an on-site demo depending on what would work best for you and your staff. Buying the command and control platform from Guardian RFID can help make your correctional facility safer, smarter, and more aware. Thanks for watching the video today, and I hope I was able to help answer a few of your questions. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about us, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our blog. If you're ready to take the next step with the command and control platform and want to speak to a team member, fill out the form by clicking the link below.